The reporting features are designed to help users see activity for reporting owners quickly and efficiently, including downloading such activity in CSV files for further analysis. To access filing reports, click on Reports, then Filing Reports. Here you will find a list of all individual filings exportable into Excel and PDF formats. These files can be downloaded individually or as a list, which can be helpful for auditing purposes. To access a more detailed list of ownership data, click on the Owner Reports tab. Here you can find individual transactions from all of the filings on your account. You can easily filter by date and search to find the exact transactions you are looking for. Additionally, you can export to Excel and PDF formats for further analysis.